Good morning. Got a Scion FRS in the shop today. I'm going to be doing a spark plug job on here. These FA20 motors, spark plugs are buried between the valve cover and the frame rail on each side. So, not particularly the easiest job, but I think with the right tools, we'll be able to get this out nice and easy. So let's do this. On this side, I'm thinking I may have to unbolt this ECM. Just kind of move it out of the way just to get some room to get my hands and tools down there. Alright, well, removing that was, I think, the right idea. This bottom bolt here actually bolts to the valve cover down there. So you have to do this 12, this 12, and this 10, and then this can be removed. But got a lot of room here. I'm gonna unbolt the 10 mils on the coils and just leave these plugged in and see if I can get them out while it's still plugged in. As you can see here, guys, the struggle was real. I kept dropping tools, kept having to use my magnet, try to fish these things out, and then continue trying to remove the plugs. Boy, this was a headache. I got that passenger side bank out. Not the easiest thing in the world, as you saw. So I'm using a combination of all of these extensions. The 14mm spark plug socket. But when you get it all the way loosened, you don't have enough room to remove this as one assembly. So you have to separate the extension from the socket before you can get it out. I don't know why they couldn't just use a normal engine. I finally got the driver's side out. Super annoying. This is so hard working with the frame rail right there. Just trying to get all the extensions off the socket using the magnet. I just dropped the socket and it took me like 10 minutes to find it. Ugh, I hate Subaru. Here are the new parts. It's actually Subaru parts, but it's just a dead cell plug inside a Subaru box. Okay, we're in reassembly. Yeah, any Subaru experts out there, drop me some comments if you have easier ways to do this or just to work on these Subarus in general. Every time I have to work on one of these, I'm always struggling with clearance, like especially doing valve covers and stuff like that. So if you know an easier way, let me know. And if you haven't done it yet, smash that subscribe button. I got videos coming out weekly and usually technical content. So if you're into this type of stuff, smash that subscribe button. Alright, well, I just got all four of those plugs in. But anyway, all I gotta do is put on that computer that was here. I'm gonna plug it in, then we're gonna run this thing. Just wrapped up putting the spark plug job back together. Let's fire this puppy up. Alright, sounds good. That TPMS light is on because the wheels are steelies and don't have sensors in. Alright, so let's take this for a test drive. Alright, this thing's driving good. As you can see, this job is kind of a pain in the butt because you have no room. And you just gotta stick the socket in, then the extension in. And then when you're removing it, you gotta remove the extension, then remove the socket with this plug on it. It's just kind of annoying, but if you are patient, you can get this done. And it's really just time consuming and a little frustrating. Just take your time and you'll get it done. Anyway, that's another one done. Thanks for watching. Look at those mountains. Got more snow.